A new report by economic development firm Northspan shows that despite rural health care struggling across the country, Essentia Health remains one of the top economic drivers in the Brainerd Lakes area. Reporter Daniel Purcell has more.
According to the National Rural Health Association, 11% of rural hospitals in Minnesota are vulnerable to closures, and 40% of rural hospitals in the state are operating on negative margins. Despite the challenges that rural healthcare is currently facing, Essentia Health has been thriving in the Brainerd Lakes area, driving nearly $750 million in economic activity every year.
Essentia has been very successful in terms of looking at access for our patients, because that's what matters to our patients is access, especially in our rural communities that often don't have the same level of resources available to them. I think Essentia's really found a great opportunity in making sure that, especially at our key sites of service, having access open and available to our patients.
Essentia has also provided a significant boost to jobs in the community, with the company supporting over 2,000 jobs in the Brainerd Lakes area. However, the job impact hasn't just been felt by Essentia. According to a report conducted by Northspan, for every job created by the company, another 0.94 jobs are created in the community, effectively doubling Essentia's employment impact.
The cool thing about Essentia is they're always growing and expanding, whether they're building a new clinic or they're doing some sort of remodel. And their commitment to our community is using local businesses and local contractors. So every healthcare job really supports many other jobs in our community.
One way that Essentia is working to make their mark outside of the doctor's office is through community events and contributions, with the company investing nearly $1 million in Brainerd Lakes organizations over the last 5 years.
It's really important that we're part of the community, understand what the community's needs are, and the best way to do that is to be out in the community. And so attending the local events, whether it's the home show at the sports center or just being at Friday night football games. We really want to be there to understand, what are the health impacts to the folks in the community, but where do we need to be meeting the mark as an employer in the community as well, and a large one at that.
Despite the work that they have done for the Brainerd Lakes area over the last 5 years, Essentia Health has big plans for the area in the future.
But one of the things we really like to focus on is choosing the contractors, the architects, that are also within the community. And so our orthopedic center is a prime example where we're investing back in the community. We chose High Tech as our primary partner specifically because they're close to Brainerd. We want to invest in those local partnerships because as we grow, as their business grows, we want to continue that relationship because it pays dividends for both of us going forward into the future.
Reporting in Brainerd, I'm Daniel Purcell, Lakeland News.
Essentia Health is the biggest job provider in the Brainerd Lakes area. They will continue to expand their brand in the area with their orthopedic center opening in Baxter late next year.
Lakeland News is a nonprofit news organization. Donate to Lakeland PBS today to support your local news team.